Forming WH questions easily. Presented by Boosting English with Tanu. Aim. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to ask WH questions very easily and confidently. Remember to do the exercises and check your answers at the end. Thank you. Asking questions. We ask questions using question words. Sometimes we use question words beginning with WH to ask questions. WH question words: who, what, when, where, why, which, whom, whose. In this lesson, we will learn the first 4 question words. Who for the subject of a sentence. Who lives in the next house. A manager, Mr. Henry, lives in the next house. Who for the subject of a sentence. Who discovered Australia. Captain Cook discovered Australia. Who for the subject of a sentence. Who likes to become a doctor. Jane likes to become a doctor. Who for the subject of a sentence. Who can help me to clean up the house. I can help you to clean up the house. Who for the object of a sentence. Who did you come in? I came up with my mother. Who for the object of a sentence. Who did you call in the morning? I called my sister in the morning. Who for the object of a sentence. Who are you inviting for your birthday party? I am inviting all my friends. Who for the object of a sentence. Who do you want to speak to? I want to speak to the principal. What are you doing now? I am watching the television. What is your age? My age is 25 years. What sport do you like to play? I like to play cricket. What time do you get up in the morning? I get up at 4:30 in the morning. When did you buy this television? I bought this television last month. When do you hope to go abroad? I hope to go in December. When will you come back to Sri Lanka? I will come back to Sri Lanka next December. When can you deliver this parcel? I can deliver it tomorrow. Where does Jane live? She lives in London. Where will you go for the holidays? I will go to the countryside for the holidays. Where did you buy this? I bought it at the supermarket. Where are you from? I am from India. Use the correct question word. Who what, when, where. Number 1. Blank. Has your friend gone today? My friend has gone to the library. Number 2. Blank. Can I do to help you? You can arrange the table. Answers. Number 1. Where has your friend gone today? My friend has gone to the library. Number 2. What can I do to help you? You can arrange the table. Use the correct question word. Who, what, when, where. Number 3. Blank. Time is now. It's 10:30 now. Number 4. Blank. Can you return my book? I can return it next week. Answers. Number 3. What time is now? It's 10:30 now. Number 4. When can you return my book? I can return it next week. Use the correct question word. Who, what, when, where. Number 5. Blank wants to speak to me. My mother wants to speak to you. Number 6. Blank. Are you going to the beach again? I am going to the beach again on Sunday evening. Answers. Number 5. Who wants to speak to me? My mother wants to speak to you. Number 6. When are you going to the beach again? I am going to the beach again on Sunday evening. Use the correct question word. Who, what, when, where. Number 7. Blank is your class teacher. My class teacher is Mr. Andrew. Number 8. Blank. Did you buy this? I bought it at the supermarket. Answers. Number 7. Who is your class teacher? My class teacher is Mr. Andrew. Number 8. Where did you buy this? I bought it at the supermarket. This is the end of the lesson. Thank you for watching. Subscribe my channel.